Hey guys, George Florida Parks After Dark. Hey, we are here at Gatorland at Margaritaville Orlando Resort. And who do we got?
Alright, so I'm Lucas, and then this is my friend Banana here. She's an albino ball python. Now these guys are from Africa, sub-Saharan Africa. So these guys are
camera shy.
Yeah, she's a little bit camera shy. So these guys are small species of python. They only get about 4 to 5 feet long for the females, 3 to 4 feet for the males. This makes them the world's most popular pet snake. So these guys, if you go to any reptile shop, like any pet store, you'll probably find one of these guys. They're a very docile species, which makes them so popular. Now these guys, their original name was actually the royal python, which comes from ancient Egypt. So these ancient Egypt royalty used to wear these guys as jewelry, wear them as decoration.
Wow,
so
right.
Even the famous Cleopatra, she used to wear snakes as jewelry. So that's where the name royal python comes from. But when they marketed them for the pet trade, they changed the name because these snakes, where they get their name ball from is because they kind of roll up into a little ball, and that name was more marketable than royal python. So that's in the beginning they didn't sell very much. So then they officially changed the name to ball python back in the 70s or 80s. So, yeah.
All right, awesome.
Now this girl is an albino. She's got that white and yellow coloration. Now most of them, the normal ball pythons, are going to be that brownish tan, more darker coloration, but she's albino, so that's actually a genetic mutation which causes her to have very little pigment. So you can see her red eyes, which is because you can see the blood vessels in the eyes because she has no pigment, and then her light coloration.
Is that why the eyes are red?
Yes.
I did not know that.
Yeah. And now these guys have been bred for a long time, so there's actually a whole bunch of morphs that you can find nowadays. So a normal ball python will be around $40 to $50, but if you get a special crazy color or pattern, they're called the morphs, they can go up into the hundreds or thousands of dollars. So yeah, they're
Nice.
pretty cool.
All right, excellent. Well, guys, this is George Florida Parks After. Thank you, Gatorland, again for showing us your special critters. You guys have a fantastic day and take care.